Still some time away.
Yeah, but that is not stopping this squirrel in Pennsylvania from preparing, you got to get ready. The squirrel hid dozens of walnuts, grass, and hay inside the hood of a couple's car. Look at that, really going to work. They noticed a burning smell, opened the hood, and found the stash. The couple says they've been curious about what happened to all those walnuts that had fallen from their tree and then disappeared, and well, there they are. Squirrel's got to do
so hard.
I know what a squirrel's got to do. Oh my gosh, that's really, really cute. But isn't it interesting, the animals and their instinct and how they're preparing for winter? And
He's like, nobody will find it under here.
No, and then this dude takes a selfie with it.